YL818 is a practical training device specially designed for professional college and refrigeration. The device is designed according to the technical characteristics of refrigeration maintenance in refrigeration industry and the installation and maintenance of refrigeration system. It has strengthened the students' comprehensive professional abilities such as installation, wiring, debugging, fault diagnosis, and maintenance. The device integrates the technology of fluid mechanics, thermodynamics, thermochemistry, and power control, and is suitable for the teaching and training of refrigeration-related measures. The device is divided into two parts: the heat pump part, air conditioning, and the refrigerator part, showing two different refrigeration methods. The air conditioning part of the heat pump can complete 4 operation modes: refrigeration, heating, dehumidification, and air supply. The refrigeration type refrigerator can complete the 3 working modes of standard, quick freeze, and energy saving, which covers the installation, wiring, package pressure, and vacuuming in the refrigeration profession, filling the refrigerant, and running debugging and other contents. Through the use, training, and training of the device, the practical ability of the operator can be fully trained, and the problems can be analyzed and handled in actual maintenance. Tube expander. Chamfering machine, cutter, electric tube expander, oxygen bomb, gas bottle, Cooper welding torch. Measuring the size. Interception of copper tube. Smooth. Chamfering. Expansion of belt mouth. Sodium copper son. Do bend. Installation of piping. Wiring.